morning! Good morning everyone.
Diba? What a wow morning. Hello, good morning.
Yes, grabe. For the record, ito na yung pinakamaaga naming pagbati sa mga supporters at 3 a.m.
Good
Hello, morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
Diba? Wow morning na wow morning. Ano ka-excited ba kayo na nandito kayo at 3 a.m.?
Yes, una, very excited of course kasi first Chowking event to na that involves running. So it's very amazing, kakaiba, and in time for celebration of Chowking sa 40 years. Kaya maraming salamat sa lahat na nandito. And of course, excited ako dito sa mga katakbuhan ko sa 10K run.
How about you pa? Ikaw, may mensahe ka ba sa mga kasamang mo mamayang tumakbo? Ayan, marami ba tayo nasa 10K run ngayon? Wow, madami. So, kayo mga kasabayan namin, tulong-tulong na lang tayo sa daan.
Wow morning to each other.
Pag nakikita nyo mabagal ako, tulak nyo na lang ako konti. Mga pasimpleng tulak.
Oh guys you have permission pwede yung itulak mamaya si Paolo dito.
Parang iba ata. Anong preparation, kung if any, natin, kanya-kanya, unlike Paolo, sila namili talaga.
Yes.
Anong gusto nila. So,
Si Kim
check
namili
natin.
nung-
Ako kasi pumili.
Yes.
Sabi ko, eto tayo, halo-halo.
High five.
Wow.
Alam niya na.
Okay, so at this point we're gonna have a special cheer rally.
Yes, alamin natin kung anong mga team at t-shirt ang pinagpipili nila. Oh, daming pili. Let's go, Mix.
Okay, so sina Kim and Pao will help us out in our cheer rally. We have a total of 4 shirts. May kanya-kanyang representations yan. We have Siopaw, we have Laureate, we have Chow Fan, and we have Halo. So isa-isahin natin yan Once Kim and Pao call Ori, I need you to make your loudest noise. Okay ba yun?
Okay, sino dito ang mga team Siopaw? Okay na.
Kaya lang sa bakit ko yun, hindi kami na ready.
Parang katulad mo, inaantok pa yung viewer.
Okay, ito na talaga, Pao. Isa pa.
Isingin natin, Pao.
Again, bigyan naman natin ng konting lakas yung rally natin. Sasabayan ko yun. Sino dito ang team Siopaw?
Sino naman dito? Chow Fan!
Madami yung team Chow Fan. Okay, sino naman dito ang team Laureate? Team Laureate! Parang napupunta ako sa team na
Alam niyo na yung Team Laureate.
Team Laureate.
Go! Eto ba? Sino team? Halo! Halo!
Halo-halo.
That is so amazing.
Okay.
Yung iba, kumukuha pa nata ng shirt.
Nag-decide pa sila kung anong gusto nilang team today.
So later on, I hope you guys will represent your categories very well. But now we'll have a groupie with Kim Pao on stage. So please,
And of course, kasi sobrang awesome ng medal na pinag-uusapan namin kanina
I
that
know.
everyone will be receiving, patingin naman kami.
Okay,
okay,
the
pabigyan
medal
ko yung
din.
medal. Bring ko yan ni Darren sa atin. Ang
And then may
cute!
chow-lectable pa tayo, Darren. Tignan mo naman.
Ito po ang iyong makukuha at the end of your run, napakaganda. Pang-Olympics yung
That's right.
Ayan,
yung level sa
umiikot
umiikot siya.
siya.
Ayan, kaya po yung
Ay, ano ba?
Ayun! Isn't that crazy? That's so amazing.
Oo,
It's
kasi
like new
40
technology.
years.
Opo.
Tignan mo, ayan oh.
Ito po, ito
Oh,
po.
anong gusto niyo interface? Wow. Oh, ganyan kasi 40 years na
Para
si
sa yung
Chowking.
nasa Harry Potter, yung time capsule ng
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Tama.
Ito nga po, napakaganda. Everyone who's running today, all of you will get a medal at the end of your run. So congratulations po in advance.
And of course, may chow-lectable tayo, Darren.
Ito
Tignan mo
nga,
naman.
sa mga mahilig po sa mga anik-anik, kung pwede nyo ilagay sa inyong, kung gusto nyo ngayon na habang tumatakbo, sa iyong mga bags, and anywhere that you would like to put your little chow lectable. Ito po ay ang ating Siomai Chow Fan na nakikita niyo po sa ating mga ads and all that.
Yes, crowd favorite
Opo,
yan.
sobra. So, you have a little chow fan with you everywhere you go now. Yan.
Ayan, Darren, alam mo, sobrang excited silang makita ka. Ano yung feeling ng Pang family? And lalo na nagsiselebrate tayo ng 4 na dekada ng Chowking.
Yes, of course. I'm really grateful to be part of this family. 40 years po, hindi po yun biro. Congratulations to the Chowking fam. At ayun po, first time po makita ng tao yung ngalangal ako dun sa TV commercial para sa Chowking Chow fam. And it's an honor. So maraming salamat po for having me here today. And I'm so excited to run with you guys. Yeah.
Grabe, so you will be running the 5K, correct?
Yes po.
Anong practice ang ginawa mo?
Kasama ko yung mga kaibigan ko, tumatakbo kami sa UP dun sa circle.
Ayun.
Ay, mahirap dun ah. Hindi madaling tumakbo sa UP ah.
Okay naman.
Okay
Kailangan
naman.
masanay. Tsaka kailangan ng pressure.
It's a you problem daw.
Na-pressure ako sa mga kasama ko. Lalo na kay Bestie.
Oo.
Nag-10K na sila, nag-start na sila kanina. So ayun, parang na-pressure din ako. Pero 5K po muna for now.
Diba? I'm sure ang ating runners kanya-kanyang ensayo at kanya-kanyang kaba. But don't
Yeah.
worry because para pang patanggal ka ba, may game tayo today.
Oh.
Okay po. Here we go. Ito po ay pinakabagong game. Ngayon lang na-invento. It's called...
sobrang
Sobra po
confusing.
talaga.
So guys, kailangan nyo mag-focus. Makinig kayo. Anong game na to?
Etong game po na to ay tinatawag na Bring Me Game! Yes! Sobrang bago. Ngayon lang po namin naisip.
Para original to.
Front of the stage. Ayan.
Ayan, okay, sige. So we are going to be calling out 3 items. No? Pero isa-isa po tayo. If you
Yes.
have that item, takbo lang po kayo paakit ng stage at may premyo po kayo.
Opo.
Okay, sige. So, Darren, I want you to start or bring the game. What's the first item?
Ready na po bang lahat? Makinig. Ang natin ay a person wearing red shoes.
Darren,
Ay, ang dami ko.
nagtingin na sa mga sapatos. Come on, guys. Alam niyo, suot nyo ngayon. Lumapit na kayo dito.
Red na sapatos.
Wearing red shoes. Come here. Here at the side. Here at the
Ayan,
side.
nagsisimula
Here at
na
the
po
side. Here
kayo.
at the side.
Dun, dun, dun. Ay, nako.
Gusto ko yung nagtinginan sila lahat eh. Come on. First one with red shoes.
Sorry po, naunahan po kayo. Pero meron na tayong first winner dito.
Ayan, hello, good morning.
Sure.
Well, morning.
This is your time with Darren
Hello
at the
po.
stage.
Congratulations. Meron po kayong red shoes. Ano pong pakiramdam? Ng ano po? Na
Ng
magkaroon ng,
red shoes.
magkaroon ng pula na sapa. Hindi. To be our first winner for the Bring Me game.
Yeah, one morning po muna. So I'm very excited kasi this is my first one talaga.
Na, with you, Darren, of course.
Ayan, maraming salamat po for joining our game. Congratulations.
And of course, dahil po dyan, sir, ano nga pong name natin?
Lawrence po from Chowking.
Lawrence, well, morning. Dahil po dyan, may prize ka po from Chowking. Oh, sige.
Here po tayo dito, photographers. Join us please.
Ayan, ayan. Tumatakbo rin po ng 5K.
Sir Lawrence, mabuhay po kayo. Congratulations. Parte kayo sa Chowking. Happy 40 years. Buti na lang nagka-Chow Fun Run, no? At least nakasali na rin kayo sa mga fun run.
Sir Lawrence, so ano po yung naisip nyo kanina umaga? Kailangan ko magsuot ng red na shoes, ganon?
No, talagang binagay ko lang.
Basta siya.
It's part of the outfit.
Yes, it's a
Kailangan po
vibe.
coordinated.
Ang galing-galing mo dyan.
Pero ito na nga yung ating official photographer.
Ayan. Walking na siya. Very exciting. How about?
There
Yan,
you
may
go.
picture ka po and may prize ka po pagbaba mo ng stage. Congratulations.
Salamat. Thank you so
And
much.
of course, Darren, dahil one big Chow family tayo, mag-groupie rin tayo.
Yeah.
Dito
Lapit
tayo
na
harap. Dito tayo harap. Photographers.
Ayan, Sir Sky. Grabe! Hello, and well morning to you. Okay, gaano ka-excited kayo to be celebrating, the 40th year anniversary of Chowking here with us?
Yes, syempre sobrang saya kami ngayon. Sobrang excited kasi makasama ulit namin.
Ayun, sobrang saya din po namin dahil part po kami ng 40th anniversary and makakatakbo po kami kasama kayong lahat.
Alam mo, kanina pa namin pinag-uusapan, no? Ang Chowking talaga, number 1 puntahan niya. Sa Chowking kasi sinelebrate namin to. May ganun moment ba kayo?
Go, Aki!
Ako on a random day. So hindi siya walang any celebration. Parang every time na parang mag-crave kami ng family namin ng Chowking. Sa Chowking, we're gonna order fried chicken, chicken laureate, siopaw, yung favorite siopaw.
Turn every day into a celebration, ika nga nila.
Tama.
Ano?
Ako same ako kay Aki.
Sweet and sour, tapos may noodles. Oh.
Nagutom tuloy ka. Nakakagutom.
Favorite ko.
After na ito, kain na agad.
Oo, may Chow Funland mamaya
Yes.
where everyone
Yes.
Congratulations sa inyong lahat. Ang galing ninyo.
Congratulations! So, thank you so much po for your participation and thank you so much for giving your best here in today's Dance Showdown.
Yes, and of course, can we have everyone center stage po for a group photo? There you go. Thank you so much to our participants. There we go. Maraming salamat for the core memories. Grabe, Kai. Ang galing. Ang dami mong energy. Aga-aga.
Thank you! Anong oras na ba, guys? Maaga pa ba? 7 a.m. Grabe ang energy right here, no?
Ano kayo? One more song? Joke lang.
Already.
Okay.
Teka lang, guys.
So may I ask if maybe something inspired you to choose those 2 songs for your performance this morning?
OMG, grabe ang question. Thank you for that wonderful question. Thank you.
Rampa na lang po kayo.
I believe
Hi.
that I picked those 2 songs because those are the 2 songs that perfectly describe my situation as of now.
Wow.
And I thank you.
I love that. Kapag
Sa'yo
kami
na,
pa
Corona.
kapuso right now. Okay. So with
We are here doing the Chow Fun Run. So actually I'm very grateful for Chowking for accepting me into this family and also dahil nagsa-celebrate tayo. Actually guys, Chowking enjoyer talaga ako. Every time I finish school, diretso Chowking with my friends. So
I love
I have a
that.
lot of core memories in Chowking with my friends.
What's your favorite order?
My favorite order, syempre yung laureate.
Laureate.
All-in-one, di ba?
Asan yung mga Team Laureate dyan?
what laureate do you normally wear?
Normal na laureate, yung lahat.
Oh.
My chicken, pancit,
Fried chicken.
my yellow rice. Kapag walang
I
yellow
love
rice,
that.
it will not
The egg
be
fried
good.
rice.
The egg
I
fried
know.
rice.
Same.
That one is my favorite talaga.
Laureate pang mga all or nothing tayo. Yes.
Exactly.
And yes, while we have Kai here with us, of course, at this